Hello friends, I am Jinil from AR Associates. Once again we are introducing our channel AR Talks with a new video that is 5 inevitable formulas for accountants. Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time watching my channel, then you should definitely subscribe it. And if you do not forget to press the bell button, you can see the most useful videos through my channel. Okay, let's start. Here I am introducing some essential formulas especially for accountants to save their time and speed up their accounting task. First one is RD calculator, that means a recurring deposit calculator. Second one is a formula for calculating accrued interest of a deposit. Third one is for finding future value of investment. Next one is a shortcut for viewing formulas appeared in the Excel column. The last but not the least shortcut is for finding and replacing content in an Excel sheet simultaneously. Everyone may know the formula for finding and replacing contents in an Excel sheet separately, but most of them are not aware about how it is possible in a single shortcut. Every person working in a finance sector must know the applicability of recurring deposit formula. We can calculate the same with an example. If a customer invests monthly 2000 rupees for the next 12 months in a monthly compounding scheme, at the annualized yield of 10.5%, he will get 25,410 rupees at the end of the period. An accountant can simply calculate the same by using the formula of FE. FE means future value. Is equal to FE, open the bracket, select annualized rate of interest, divide by 12 as it is compounding monthly. Number of installment, then select recurring investment amount, then provide present value as 0. Then we can provide 1 in the assumption of all investment in the beginning of every month. Then close the bracket and enter, you will get the result. You can also change the particulars. It is quite depends upon your scheme. Next is Accrued. It retains the accrued interest of a security. Every accountant may require calculating the accrued interest of a customer at least once in a month or at the time of maturity. We may think, now these all are available in different software, then why should I? But if we are trying to learn this kind of formulas, it will be our added advantage in future career and we can work independently from any software. We can calculate the same with an example. If a customer investing 1 lakh rupees for 1 year scheme at the rate of 12.5%, he may get 12,500 rupees at the end of the period. We can calculate the same with the formula Accrued. Is equal to Accrued, open the bracket, select deposit date, first interest payment date, settlement date, interest rate, deposit amount, then provide 1 if you are paying interest annually, then provide 3, it is for getting actual calculation of period, then close the bracket. Next is calculating future value of investment. In the previous cases we discussed about the calculation of accrued interest for 1 year. Now we are going to discuss future value of investment if a customer investing for more than 1 year with annual compounding interest. If a customer investing 1 lakh rupees for 2 year scheme at the rate 5% annually compounding, he may get 1,10,250 rupees at the end of the period. The formula for this is P into 1 plus R whole raised to N. P stands for the principal amount, R stands for the rate of interest, and N stands for number of period. We can also configure the particulars based on our scheme. Next one is F2, a function key that is used for viewing formulas applied in an Excel column. We can see the formula on selected cells by clicking key F2. The last but not the least shortcut is for finding and replacing content in an Excel sheet simultaneously. Everyone may know the formula for finding and replacing content in an Excel sheet separately, but most of them are not aware about how it is possible in a single shortcut. We use shortcut key CtrlH for finding and replacing content in an Excel sheet simultaneously. Hope you like this video too. Still waiting for your support and comments. Thank you.